Jora sok paike tok sarok pungo jora sok paike khumbarok baro ama haino borok ni bo jora sok payo o sungsaro thajung susuk ke bo tongi maya baksa bo tongo gobang kuk borok no thajung susuk tongi maya salsa bo family ma khawo amani bagai elamba go sawo je borok no kunike sanam kahini sawo yaphango kaito adam no hobani bagai hobano adam ni bagai kuni kaisake sanamai rekha erdi bangdi hayung gonangai supungdi hini saka hamari khlai abahike no tini chini tipra hastani je paithak bubagra maharajar pradyot kishor manikya Debbarma bobo kaijaknani hini kok saka tei bo okok saka je au angbo sini tipra hastani tipra sorono yok samung rui makhang kai angbo kaijak sinai ni bo kok do tamaki India ni je Rahul Gandhi hai bo hai sikla kaijage oile ang tongi meya ni bo kok do ti kok saka amani bagai bote bo saka tipra sarok no je man thai je greater tipra land no ya phri man yaglo kaijak nai ni bo kok do te bo nukung hukung khawai family kaisa khlai busabuti beke bihi busa beke bo tongnani muchung kahini kok rakha te a jora hange bo political no yakarei bo buya hekino tongnani hini kok rakha phadi hinge binia kok samarok no sung o video ni bisingtui nainele
I think after I achieve what I want to for my people, I don't think I want to be in politics as I earlier told you. But eventually what matters is what you give to your people and then you move away. It would be very difficult for me to carry on being in BJP after I have achieved what I have achieved for my people.
So once you got the Tipra Mota to get what you wanted, which
a constitutional solution.
A constitutional solution, you will go to either becoming a musician or you will go back to watching cricket,
football, getting married.
Getting married?
Getting married, absolutely.
You want to get married?
Why not? I'm seeing you. You look happy. At least you can't say no on the camera now.
Well, how old are you now?
I'm 45.
45?
Time to get married. Can't follow Rahul Gandhi all my life.